This is what streets across Thailand should look like this week. Here, locals and tourists in Bangkok's backpacking hub of Khao San Road out en masse, celebrating the Thai Songkran New Year.
Thailand is raising the alarm over a possible third wave of COVID-19 infections as the more contagious UK strain has been found in some new cases.
Thailand is also facing its worst COVID-19 spike. More than 1,500 cases have emerged in the past 24 hours, the sharpest increase since the start of the pandemic. Authorities could lock down Bangkok and surrounding provinces. A decision.
As ministers said, a new variant of coronavirus is out of control.
In England, we must therefore go into a national lockdown which is tough enough to contain this variant.
Well, tonight several countries are responding to the new variant of the virus by suspending travel from the UK.
The government said it was forced to act because of a new variant of the virus that's thought to spread much quicker.
You may only leave home for limited reasons permitted in law.
The health services are at risk of being overwhelmed within 3 weeks.